Hey, it's a Mario time. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan. Welcome to my channel and to this video. Today, we're going to be looking at fun games you could play related to the Mario Brothers movie. I'm 42 years old. I grew up on the Mario Brothers. I remember my first Nintendo system. Went to see the movie a couple of weeks ago with my kids and absolutely loved it. And they had Mario on their minds. And so we came up with 3 activities that you can play and do with your kiddos related to the new Mario Brothers movie or the Super Mario Brothers in general. So let's get started. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, so what we're doing first, we're investing in a Super Mario Brothers action figure kit. They come in this bundle, all these little figures, and they won't break the bank at all. You get like, I don't know, 17 different pieces, including Mario, Luigi, Princess, and some of the bad guys, and all that good stuff. And so I'll put a link in the description below for some good options for you, including the kit that you're looking at now. Again, it's really cool. They're pretty small, but big enough where you can actually play with. And there's several of them, and so that's kind of what we are doing first. And that's kind of the first activity you can see here. You can set up little chairs, and the kids can like have tea parties with them and kind of develop their own little world however they wish. There are no rules. It would be complete free play, so they can create their own plot lines and whatnot that correspond to the game or not. So the little cloud turtle guy kicks the princess off. Now, if you don't want to invest in that, you could just get out some paper and just start drawing the figure. So that would be activity idea number 2, just classic drawing. And you could pull up some characters online on your phone and just have them draw. By the way, welcome to the channel. Do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Click that subscribe button. I'd put out videos regularly. Like this video and share this with somebody that you know. And if you want to make your own YouTube channel and turn your hobbies into real cash every month, check out my course. You can click the link in the description below. But the little Mario figures are, I think, the ideal route to go. If you want something more structured, you can actually set up levels in your living room or your play area. You can see we've got books here and blocks. And think like Mario Brothers levels, right? Where you progress through the levels. You have to, jump over obstacles. There's bad guys, the little Koopa guys right there, and they're ready to get Mario. There's Yoshi hanging out. And then an abrupt right-hand turn, we got to jump over the bomb. So the kids can like take all these action figures or these little figurines and things around the house like blocks and books and whatever else and kind of construct their own level that goes from left to right. So the idea is that they run and jump and, bonk these guys, and the kids absolutely love this. There's Mr. Green Turtle hanging out, causing trouble. We'll have to jump over this thing. You get the idea. Dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Big man. Yoshi. Yay! So you can do that at home or on the go. For example, we're waiting for sister to do piano lessons. So my 5-year-old here has successfully set up his own Mario level world and is progressing through that. So this is great for home or, pack a little bag with random stuff. You can see we got some Lincoln Log things and whatever else these things are. And all you need is a flat surface, and we've got some entertainment. All right, and the last cool thing you can do is actually get chalk and go out and get the neighborhood kids and actually create your own levels with chalk. Have each person draw a certain thing. This is awesome. The kiddo will actually become the Mario figure or Luigi or Princess or whoever, and they have to go through the level themselves. Here is the full level. Okay, what do we have here?
Boxes.
With the question mark for a big man? Yeah. Okay, what are these?
Coin. Wait, this is
a coin? Okay, what is this?
They're a bad mushroom. Mushroom. No, it's a question.
A box with a question mark, okay. Wait, what's this over here?
It's a line that you can jump on.
Okay, what's this one?
That is a
With a big guy in there?
Yeah.
What's this?
It's a beanstalk. A huge
Okay. What's this? Another coin?
Yeah.
Oh, I know what this guy is.
The bad guy.
Mushroom bad guys. Okay, what's this?
The
Another box with the big man?
mushroom.
All right.
Oh, that's a
Coins,
mushroom.
coins, coins, coins. You hit the beanstalk,
Jump up here, and then the little thing shoots you out.
and you can get all the coins and then come down.
And then that goes
If you find the beanstalk.
I found it.
If you don't find the beanstalk, you have to continue. Wait, hey, what's this?
It's a poop man, a flying poop man.
Wait, that's
It's
not
a mushroom.
Okay. Okay.
It's a flying.
It's a mushroom with wings. Okay, we know those guys. And then 2 more coins, and then you
No, I found
jump.
a beanstalk.
Wait,
Bowser.
you got to defeat Bowser first, and then you can fly down
The princess.
the flagpole and rescue the princess. Okay, who's first? Let's do it.
I'm first.
All right. What character are you?
I'm Mario.
Mario. Okay. Are you ready? Dun 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 dun. Look out! Dun dun dun.
This one is Daniel.
Guys, cheer him on! Yay! Who are you?
I'm Mario.
All right, ready? Go, Mario, go! Dun 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 dun. That's okay. Mario's on his own. Whoa, nice. Slide up the beanstalk. He jumps to the next beanstalk. He gets all the coins and slides down. Kills all the bad guys. Wait, did you get a big man?
Yes, I already have
Oh, sorry. Of course. We missed that part.
Star power.
Oh, star power. Nice one. Wait, did you get Bowser?
No, I have star power. I can just.
Well, of course. All right, are we going to the next level? This is the jungle world. Remember those guys. And what's this?
Oh, that's just a beanstalk, but those are the bad coins.
Oh, bad coins. Okay, we're using our imagination.
And one of the
Oh, nice.
chompers, and,
Oh, one of the chomping flowers. Yeah.
and that's just a brick, and here's the finish line.
Oh my
It
goodness,
has
you
a
guys
bee
are
on it
so
for Bowser.
creative. Whoa, love it. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, nice moves. Dun, 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 dun. Way to stay in the middle of those guys. They're dangerous. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, those are bad coins, aren't they? Oh, they're good. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Way to stomp that guy. Ooh. Kick that turtle. Fire power, fire power. And then we'll stop the video there. I hope you liked it.